No, I don't know either. Okay, in your room? Are they in your bedroom? They're not? Let's go see. Okay, so our house is super messy, right?
Bye-bye.
Sit down. Our house is super messy. We've got a lot of laundry, right? A lot of laundry. And Aiden, do we have a lot of laundry we got to get done? He's like, I don't care, Mom. You know what? You know what else?
No.
I don't. You know what else though? I don't care either. I made you a list. This is what we're gonna do today. Read the list, Zoe.
I want to see the list.
Read it.
I want to read the list.
Read it for the camera. That's a list that we're gonna do today.
Do not look. That's it.
Yep.
Only laundry.
No, laundry's not on that list.
Do not
says
to-do list. Play with Mom. Wow. Play with you.
Uh-huh. Because you know what? I don't care that there's laundry today either. And I don't care that the house is messy and there's dirty dishes in the sink.
Pizza.
And Narkis cares about cheese pizza. But you know what I do want to do today?
What?
I just want to play with my babies.
Let's go play. Come on. Play
Hang
dress
on.
up.
Let me make y'all some lunch first and then we'll go
Can we
play.
play hide and seek?
We can
dress up?
We can play hide and seek. We can do dress up. We can go outside. We can do whatever y'all want to do, okay?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek. That's your favorite, isn't it, Narkis?
Two.
That's your favorite.
And you're it.
And I'm it.
And then
Okay.
and then
Now,
Zoe, then me.
the only thing is I'll have to take breaks when little Jack wakes up to settle him down and stuff, okay?
Okay. I can't believe that's the only thing on the list.
Sometimes, you know what? Chores are always going to be there. We're always going to have chores to do. But playtime...
help a tour?
We're not doing chores today, Betty. We're going to play
We're
instead.
gonna play with Mommy.
We're going to play instead. Doesn't that sound like more fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Chores will always be there, right? Because chores never end. But y'all are gonna grow up,
But we have
and
to
playtime will end. So we're gonna enjoy playing.
But we have to be
Yeah, I did get a
gentle
shower.
with you.
Yeah, you still gotta be gentle with me because my tummy hurts a little bit, but I'm okay.
Wow.
Why?
She had surgery.
Because when Mommy had baby Jack, Mommy's tummy is just a little sore still.
help it up.
You are so sweet, y'all. Look at him. He's like, I'm gonna help you up, Mom. And you are on the floor, sweet boy. That's very kind of you.
Can I help?
Yeah, I'll let you help. I'm gonna make us some lunch, okay?
Pizza.
We're not doing pizza. It's not gonna be
Mama?
pizza.
We had pizza yesterday.
Yeah, we'll do like sandwiches or something for lunch, but then we're gonna play. Does that sound like fun?
Ham sandwiches.
I don't know if we have ham. We'll see. I have peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah. Peanut
that
butter. Yeah.
Aiden, what are you doing? You turkey boy.
Okay, come over here.
Ooh, pretty. Ooh, I haven't seen it up close. Those are beautiful. Very pretty. I wonder what those are called.
I named them.
What are they named?
Mommy flower.
They're called mommy flowers. I do love those. Those are beautiful.
And I want to show you something else.
Okay.
Hi.
Aiden.
Give it too.
No, you stay here, Piper. No. It's Flame's right there, Zoe. Grab it.
Looks like you've been chewing on it. Take it airplane. I want to climb.
Sister rescued it from over the fence. We have an airplane rescuer.
Then if Zoe loses hers, can I get hers? Haha.
Zoe, look at Mama.
Hey.
Woo!
I figured out a new way.
So guys, one of the things that I've been trying to do lately is learn how to play guitar. I have my husband's old guitar here and I'm really bad at it. I know 2 chords, that's it. I think she's probably better than me. And actually, I don't even think I remember the chords. Hold on. No, quick. Hold on. I don't even know if I remember the ones that I learned yesterday. Piper, stop, honey. Is that a chord? The guitar is really out of tune as well. It sounds so bad. Maybe that's it. I don't know. That's all I know. My husband used to be really good at guitar. He could play like Crazy Train and all these different songs, and he still can. Like, he pulled it out yesterday and played a few songs, but I do not know any of it. So I was like, you know what? It's a perfect time to learn. I can just YouTube most of what I'm doing, right? And it'll work out. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm always singing to the kids, so I was like, it would be fun if I could actually like play guitar and sing to the kids. I don't know. Yep, I think Zoe's better than me. We need to get it tuned. I found Aiden. He didn't hide very well. He didn't hide very well. You didn't hide, silly boy. You didn't hide. All right, let's go find sissies. Where are they?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know either. Are they in your room? Are they in your bedroom?
No.
They're not. Let's go see. I don't know. They might be. Are they in Keys' room? Let's Say sissies. Sissies. Do you see them? I don't see them in here. Let's try out here. And try in there. All right, push the door. Push it open. Push. There you go. Push it. Good job using your feet. All right, sissies. You see them, Pinocchios? Where are they? I really don't see them actually. Let's see. There's a big mound of blankets up there. Do you see them, Keys? Do you see them?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are they? Where are they? Oh, 1, 2, 3 on Piper. 1, 2, 3 on Piper. Found you.
Zoe is...
No, don't tell. Keys will find her.
Found her.
Hang on. I gotta let Keys find her. Alright, say 1, 2, 3 on Zoe. Say sissy.
Hey, you found me. No, the first one who was found is the worst one at hiding, so that means that they have to count.
Oh, you gotta go
And
count,
learn
Piper.
from the people that are I don't need any help finding. You have to go out over that way. Mama, can you hide?
I'll try to hide, yeah.
And Narkis hide.
Okay, guys, so this is like...
Thank you.
No, you are not a baby. So this is our first outing with Jack, and he's kind of getting buried in groceries. Unintentionally. I didn't need a lot, so I was like, well, I can bring Jack, and he's like super attached to mommy today and was not gonna let me leave him. A puppy like blanket pillow thing. But I need to get Aiden. Aiden needs diapers. Jack does not need diapers. That's not for you, goofy girl. That is cute.
Jack could pretend he's riding in it.
We've already got a walker for him.
Here's a little Jack. All this stuff that we got. Jack is very, very sleepy.
Well, I want some too, but the way you just set up,
Okay. Okay, for the race.
I'm tired. Very tired. Hello. He's adorable.
What exactly is it?
I have no idea and I have no clue. I'm getting this Princess Aurora
Back up a little bit.
doll. And right through there, Piper's get some bell. Boop. Banana. He's like, banana. Oh, he's so cute.
Good evening, guys. Oh, I guess it's afternoon. It's not evening. It's about 3:15. I just fed. He's smiling. I just fed little Jack, and he's kind of. Y'all, this face. I love it. He kind of has me confined to the couch at the moment, just because he's so adorable and I don't want to go put him down. So Piper had her dentist appointment earlier. I forgot to bring the camera for it, but she has no cavities. Her teeth looked amazing, and that was really, really good news. I was kind of expecting that she would have a cavity or two, but she did not. He said her teeth looked perfect. Those are the words of the dentist. And Narquise and Aiden had their dentist appointments yesterday, which you guys just saw. I didn't update on them though. So shockingly, Aiden's teeth looked amazing. He said that he had a little tiny bit of gingivitis, but that is just from the constant regurgitation thing that he does. And we're just gonna amp up his brushing. I brush Aiden's teeth twice a day, but we're just gonna do it 3 times a day for good measure. But he said Aiden's teeth looked great. All of his brackets are in place. He doesn't have any signs of decay, no cavities, nothing like that. And they did a vitamin brush over his teeth, which is really good, just vitamins for his teeth. But Narquise's teeth looked good too, except for one tooth in the very back bottom. And he needs he said he might not need a root canal yet, but he needs a filling and a crown or something like that. So Narquise has an appointment in a week, I think next week, to go get that taken care of. But other than that, Narquise's teeth looked good too. So one little cavity problem for Narquise, none for Piper, and none for Aiden. And Zoe goes back in a couple weeks as well. So we'll have to figure out Zoe's. But I wanted to knock out all of their dentist appointments at the beginning of the summer, so just so that I didn't have to worry about it later on. Y'all, this kid, so sweet. Look at him smiling. Oh goodness, your head's flopping now. He wants his head like back like that, y'all. He's so silly. That's where he puts his head. Yeah, that's where you put it, isn't it? Yeah. My goodness.
He's so sweet.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
I just have a scratch on my forehead and a bump.
Yeah. You guys, she has a little knot on her forehead from she was climbing on her bunk bed. Yes,
the
you
line
were.
right there.
Oh, that's from the line. Yeah.
Like right there.
Now I see it. She was climbing on her bunk bed to turn on the light, because I have it at night when they go to bed. I have it so they can't easily go and flip the light switch and just turn the lights on and end up playing in their room. Well, she was climbing on her bunk bed to turn the light on, which I told her. What did I tell you?
It was going to end out bad.
Yep, I said you're gonna end up hurting yourself. That's not a safe thing to do. She did it anyway, and sure enough, the fan got her in the head. It was on low, it wasn't on high or anything, but she got a little conk on the head from it. I just sent the girls outside to get the mail for me. But anyway, I'm glad that the dentist appointments are over with. And this little man, you guys, this little boy, so his colic seems to be slightly better. Like, he doesn't seem to have colic as bad anymore, but he has like a pacifier issue. Like, for 3 hours, between like 3 and like 5 this morning, a couple hours anyway, he was so sleepy, and he'd be like almost asleep, and then the pacifier would fall out of his mouth and he'd cry, and I'd put it back in, and he'd be almost asleep, and then it'd fall out, he'd cry, I'd put it back in, and it was just like that constantly for a good few hours. I don't know, I wasn't sure. He just wants the pacifier, but it won't stay in his mouth like he wants it. But see, like moments like this, he doesn't want the passy. He just wants mommy snuggles. Yeah, he just wants mommy snuggles. He's a good baby, you guys. He's a good baby. I could just keep the camera on him all day. I know I'm kind of blowing up Instagram with baby Jack pictures. I don't know. I think it's just because he's new. He's just new and he's little and he's cute. And I take a ton of pictures of him, but don't we? Oh, that's a frowny face. That's a frowny face. Yeah, he's a good baby. Alright, y'all. Daddy is feeding the baby. Are you always hungry, Jack? Anyway, you guys, so I ordered Jack this Owlet baby monitor. It's the Smart Lock Sock 2. Supposedly, this is the updated version. They were having some problems, I think, with the other version or something. Dang it. Okay, note to self. Get it out of box before you start filming. Okay, so this is the Owlet. So I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, Jack has been having some like problems with breathing and remembering to breathe properly. And it's kind of scary a little bit at night when he's sleeping. Like he'll kind of pause his breath and then he'll kind of gasp a little bit. So I thought this would give mommy a little bit of peace of mind. And it comes with...
Does that make it for adults?
No, I don't think so. This is the base station. And this, I think, is the smallest little sock that they have. And then under here, it's supposed to come with more socks. I don't know if it did, though. Yeah, it comes with an extra sock and all of the cords and chargers.